Okay, we have a question about gold actually from Justin, an investor here. Hey, happy to see you guys. I had a question about gold. Whenever it rallied, it stayed up like 5 months more or less. Any thoughts on that? It's about to be 5 months.
Whenever it rallied, it stayed up 5 months or more. Um, I'm not quite. I understand the question.
I think he was saying it rallied, and then if I'm getting the question right, he's saying it rallied and then it stayed at that level, kind of trading sideways for about
Oh,
five
oh,
months before it rolled over.
I see. I see. Okay. Well, let's look at it just like on a monthly. So I can kind of see what you're saying. Here's a 5 month chunk and then it stabilizes. Here's about another 4 or 5 months chunk, and then it stabilizes. Yeah, to be fair, you're not wrong. Looking at just on a monthly basis, we are sitting at like DMARC 13 levels. So it's definitely due for a bit of sideways price action based on this. So that's a good question. Will it do that? Will it stabilize and trade sideways for 2 or 3 months, or will it continue to rally? Based on the history, the odds are it will kind of go sideways, if not even correct a little bit. But because like here's a 9 that it kept going, but this was a 13 also here, and it did go sideways. This was a 13 here. It actually corrected a bit. Also a 13 here, and it went sideways for a while. So we'll see. But you're not wrong. Yes, that's a good observation. And, this past results don't predict the future. So that doesn't mean that because it's done it 4 or 5 times in a row that it's automatically going to do that again. But the odds are in favor of that happening, I would say.
Yeah, and just like it's just been running for so long, it's broken all-time highs. It just feels like it's due for a correction just outside of the chart. It just feels like it's been running for a very long time for something that it traditionally doesn't like have the moment that it just had. So I can't help but feel that's going to die down soon. But just an investor, we shall see. But thanks for the observation. Definitely something we'll keep an eye on.